Did you know that there's a unique solution that will add volume and density to your thinning hair in just one session? Well, there is. It's Xtrands, an in-salon service available exclusively at HairClub, the leader in hair regrowth, replacement, and restoration. The Xtrands solution adds hundreds or even thousands of new hair strands to existing hair, providing a fuller-looking head of hair instantly. But before applying the new hair, a specially trained stylist will first carefully examine your hair and scalp to determine your overall hair health and its unique properties. This allows the stylist to create a perfect blend between the Xtrands product and your existing hair. Applying Xtrands is a non-invasive, precision-based process where the highly skilled stylist hand ties new strands of hair to your existing individual strands of hair, one by one. Session times vary depending on the number of strands. The result is an immediate increase in density and volume. To achieve the final look, the Xtrands service includes a professional cut and style of all the hair together to fashion an undetectable blending. You treat your new hair like your natural hair with no limits on washing, styling, swimming, or showering. So if you're looking for an innovative, non-surgical, immediate solution to thinning hair, Xtrands is the right option for you.